She's about 38.23. But I think that's good enough for me to give her a Nurofen, so I'll just shove it in now. Because I'm bored out of my ass and my daughter has a fever, I might as well film a tutorial on how to give Nurofen to your baby. Step 1, check their temperature. I use something like this. This is like a, what do you call this? It's pretty good. The next thing is, go get your Nurofen and check the back of the box. Before you feed them, make sure you wash the crap out of your hands, which I've done. So for a 2-year-old at her weight, it's 2.5 to 3.5. So I'm just gonna shove in 3. It's probably a good idea to shove in a little bit more than what they actually need, because sometimes they spit it out. But Joy's pretty good at having medicine, so. But she's so whingy, I don't think she's gonna take it today. So I'm just gonna shove it in. I'm gonna go for 3. Why not? Oh, you think, Anya? You think? Alright, let's go. I'll show you how to do it. Come here, you little baby. 이거 먹고 베이비 바스 보자. 이거. 이거 먹고 베이비 바스 보자. If your baby can talk, you can like negotiate. So look at her. She's happy. Look at. 먹어. Okay, this is a very bad video because Joy is really good at eating this thing. So I've given her already 1 meal. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do it to a baby that doesn't want it, okay? She wants more. Joy wasn't... Oh no, you're not finished yet. Joy's not finished yet. So what you do is you get them down like this. You coco their neck. And then you shove this in. 이거 다 먹어야 돼. Oh, good. She's fighting now. She wants no more. Okay, she's fighting. Okay. So you grab her. You grab her. Make sure she's kind of upside down. Wait till she cries. This is good. And then you just shove it in. And then she drank it. That's it, finished. Probably the worst tutorial you'll ever see in your life, but you know. I didn't let her watch YouTube for the last 2 days because I think she was having nightmares. She kept waking up, so I'm like, nah, that's it, no more. But because she did it well, and I promised her, so I'm gonna let her watch it. Sit down. 똑바로 앉아. 조이 10분만 보고 삐삐삐삐 하면 끄는 거다. 약속 이거 봤어? 10분 삐삐삐. She doesn't even care.